Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Trading Basics. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can open a trade on MetaTrader 4 application. Keep watching the video till the end. To open trade on MetaTrader 4, firstly go ahead and launch open your MetaTrader 4 application. The home page of MetaTrader 4 application will appear on the screen. Click on plug icon at the bottom left side of the page. On the next page, tap on File icon at the top right corner of the screen. Now to open a trade on MetaTrader 4, enter your selling amount and your buying amount, then tap on Sell by Market or Buy by Market. This is how you can open a trade on MetaTrader 4 application quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.